I went to the planting where rows and rows of the seeds are planted. Mahalaga talaga ang magsasaka.
Kamay talaga ito. Kamay talaga. At nakita mo naman, mababalian ka ng likod, when you see them planting, And it's hard work. It's hard work. We always make sure that the planters also are one of the highest paid among the laborers, because if they make a mistake, right, that's the end of the pineapple plant.
Ang magsasaka, palaging sinasabi nakakalimutan. Sila yung pinakamahirap sa Pilipinas. Pero dito sa Del Monte, ano ang buhay ng magsasaka?
Yung magsasaka sa amin, okay, generations upon generations yan. Okay. Meron dyan makikita mo 2 generations, no? And they're important because farming here is really by the hand. We make sure that we take care of our farmers, We provide them free housing. We provide them education for their children, free electricity. And we have a hospital there, so they have nothing to fear as far as their lives are concerned. And at the end of the day, you will find that a lot of these farmers, are able to send their children to school, to college, They are engineers, they are doctors. And that is our pride, because it really elevates the lives of these people. But nevertheless, we take care of them, because without the farmers, there is no pineapple, there is no Del Monte.
Kaayo'y kabutihan sa pamilya't bayan, sa 100 taon na 100 salamat. Salamat. 100 salo-salo, bawat lambing at pagsuyo, ramdam ang kaayo. Kaayo'y kabutihan, tiwala ka rito, Del Monte maasahan. Tulad ng luto mong pamana, may timpla ng alaala, bawat ikim at subo, alaga ka rito, Del Monte maasahan.